Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Impala headlight. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a ratchet wrench, an extension, and a 7mm socket. Most importantly, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb. For many Impalas, this means an H11 for the low beam or an H9 for the high beam. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's get to the headlight itself. Start by popping open your hood. You'll find one 7mm bolt holding the headlight in place. Remove this. Next, locate and pull out the white plastic clip situated closer to the grille. With these fasteners removed, you can gently pull the entire headlight housing straight out. Finally, disconnect the main electrical harness by squeezing its release clip. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. On the back of the housing, you'll see a round black dust cover. Twist this counterclockwise to remove it. Now, rotate the old bulb about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Disconnect the old bulb from its wiring harness. When installing the new bulb, plug it into the harness, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. To finish up, insert your new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Reattach the black dust cover, turning it clockwise until it's secure. Reconnect the main wiring harness to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight housing back into its slot, ensuring it aligns properly. Reinstall the white plastic retaining clip and tighten the 7mm bolt. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm everything is working as it should.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.